Go to Windows search bar, type services, click on open it, search for NVIDIA display container, open it, make startup type to automatic. If it's not running, start it, click on apply, click on OK. Now click and open NVIDIA Frame View SDK service. Make startup type to automatic, start it, click on apply, click on OK. Now click on restart the service on top left corner. After that, open NVIDIA display container. Click on log on. Check allow service to interact with desktop option. Click on OK. Download NVIDIA GeForce. Open it. Click on drivers. Click on check for update and download if any updates available.